spices that will help make you well. Turmeric anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, primarily due to its active ingredient, curcumin. This compound gives turmeric its distinctive yellow color and is a focal point in both culinary and medicinal contexts. Health benefits of turmeric. 1. Anti-inflammatory. Curcumin in turmeric can significantly reduce inflammation, making it beneficial for managing conditions like arthritis, inflammatory bowel diseases, and other inflammatory conditions. 2. Antioxidant. Turmeric's antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and heart disease. 3. Brain health. Curcumin has been shown to increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein that plays a key role in the survival and growth of nerve cells, potentially improving brain function and lowering the risk of brain diseases. 4. Heart health. Turmeric may improve endothelial function, or the health of the thin membrane that covers the inside of the heart, and blood vessels, which can help regulate blood pressure and clotting. 5. Cancer prevention and treatment. Research suggests that curcumin might have anti-cancer properties, potentially affecting cancer growth, development, and spread at the molecular level. Usage in diet and supplements. Turmeric can be used in various forms, such as a spice in cooking, in teas, and as a supplement in capsules. It is a staple in Indian cuisine and is often used in dishes like curries and stews. Adding black pepper can enhance the absorption of curcumin due to the presence of piperine in black pepper. Considerations. While turmeric is generally safe and beneficial for most people, high doses or long-term use of turmeric supplements may cause gastrointestinal issues. It's important to consult healthcare providers before starting any new supplement, especially for those with existing health conditions or who are on medication. Turmeric's wide-ranging benefits make it a valuable spice for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the good life with spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our website at www.orangeblackmuseum.com.